Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here. I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps me a ton, but I'm also going to be putting out content for you guys to make money part-time, full-time, or just some extra cash. So today's video is going to be an unboxing with bulk.com. They also have an app you can download. But I've already purchased 3 other big boxes from them, and I was really excited to find this one. It has all kinds of electronics and games and stuff in it, so I was really excited to see what actually was going to be included. I just opened up the box and kind of peeked at the top just a little bit, but I haven't really went through it. So I'm going to go through it with you guys, and we can see what I got. I paid $514, and that included the shipping. So it was for 99 items. Well, let's see what I got today. Okay, so these were uninspected returns. So yeah, some of the boxes are going to be damaged, but that's okay because I can still resell them even if they didn't even have the package. So, all right, the first thing here is an Xbox controller. I got an unlimited talk and text data plan phone. See, the box has been open and taped. Some studio wireless headphones. The box again is ripped, but that's okay. It still works. Well, I'll test it to make sure it works. Alright, it looks like some standard sheet protectors. This will probably just go to my work. We use them a lot. Again, with this binder, it'll probably just go to work. I got a high-speed HDMI cable, some halogen light bulbs here. It looks like an iPhone XS Max, an iPhone 11 case, which is great because these are the most recent. I would not buy like older iPhone cases, that's for sure, because I'm not gonna get like a ton of 6s and they might not sell. All right, this is a converter and DVR. I don't know the prices on all this stuff, so I will have to look it up. I don't typically sell hard goods. I mean, not hard goods, but like electronic type hard goods. Far Cry. This is a wireless charging pad. I may keep this one. That's the one thing about buying electronics is I'm going to want to keep a lot of stuff. All right, a charging cable for an iPhone. Looks like a Roku. Ooh, awesome. This is Canon Pixma cartridges. Ink cartridges do really well. Just make sure the expiration date is within guidelines, but I actually have this one, so I may be keeping this for myself. Stapler. I have a little cool just desk organizer for your phone and stuff. Another iPhone charger, one of the newer models. Nokia 2V Verizon. So it's some kind of phone. It's in a plastic bag because it was opened, it looked like, but it's still in the box. This is a activity tracker. I'm not sure like what kind of brand that is. Another iPhone case. Some paper. Some Sony headphones. The light's kind of washing them out. Charge forward, so it looks like a just charger for the car. A Galaxy S9 case. A little Bluetooth speaker. We were just talking about needing one of those too. Alright, what is this guy? Tune 500. Oh, some more headphones. Looks like some printer paper. I will be keeping this. All stuff that I use frequently. Ooh, cool. Some more iPhone cases. These are some cool print ones. Another PS4 game. a Jedi Fallen Warrior PS4 game, a power bank, a little plug for the car, some more headphones, a protective screen case, another iPhone case, another charger. This one is just a USB-C one though, not an iPhone, which I have an iPhone. Another iPhone and an iPhone charger. Those will do great. This looks like Kodak photo paper. Some kind of Dragon Ball Z guy. A Bluetooth, or no, it's not Bluetooth, or is it? Well, it's a charger and alarm clock, it looks like, for your phone. A magic mount window mount for a phone. Another mount. And a, actually I think this one's a nope, it's iPhone. Another iPhone case. Another mount. And another iPhone case. Again, I'm actually really excited about those because they're the newer model for the iPhone. And then this is just a charger. Looks like Nintendo Switch Mortal Kombat and another car charger. Which we actually have the Switch, so who knows, we might be keeping that. Some more, well, this is an audio jack, and then a charger, and then another charger for the car. Hosa Technology Audio. Some kind of headphone extension. An Xbox controller. I'm running out of space. Alright, this is a Griffin skin cover for an iPod Touch up to a 7th generation. I had to do this in my room because like my fiance is playing the game in the living room and then my daughter's in there watching TV, so there was like no room for me. So I'm like, I'll just do it in the bedroom. Alright, Google Comcast. Speaks volumes. Let's see. Heyday, some kind of, oh, okay, some kind of Bluetooth speaker. All right, another car charger, jack, iPad or iPhone charger. What is this? Headphones, earbud, case cover. Ooh, this is a pretty charger bank. It's yellow. Some batteries. We'll probably use these, honestly. Alright, this is wireless earbuds. I already showed you guys that. Okay, this has been opened, but it looks like just some printer ink for an Epson. A car charger again. A glass, one of those glass shields. And this looks like a some kind of Fitbit type thing, but not actually a Fitbit. I don't think that's the brand. Let's see, what is this? Doom Eternal PS4. Some cool pins. Definitely keep those. Another little smart tracker, activity tracker type thing. A car charger. This looks like Nintendo Switch controllers. An iPad Air screen cover, protective cover. Some more batteries, but alkaline ones. huge pack of batteries, the alkaline ones. We got a charger for an iPhone. And it looks like iPad, I don't know which generation, but iPad skins, hard case covers. Another Nintendo Switch controller, I forgot right there. PS4 Need for Speed Heat. A hard glass shield cover. Another charger, and then an old cassette, like for your car or whatever, you can hook it up and play music. Audio jack, couldn't think of the word. White CD and DVD sleeves. Usually, well, these are just sleeves. If this had like the actual CDs or DVDs in there, it would be really, really good, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. An audio jack, maybe I'll just sell it at a garage sale, honestly. And then another long wireless charging cord. Headphones. A square reader. And then just more batteries, it looks like. Big batteries, big batteries. So yeah, that's a ton of items. I'm really excited to start listing them. Definitely the DVD, or not DVDs, but games will be listed first. We may keep the Nintendo Switch stuff. I don't know, because we do have one of those. So we'll see. I'm definitely going to make my money back and then some. So I just can't wait to have time to actually list all of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the meantime, make sure you connect with me on Instagram, Thrifty on a Dime, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace. I'm on all of those, Thrifty on a Dime. And subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let me know if you have any suggestions for me. I'd love to put out some more content. So have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.